Experience the power of water as a mist with the AquaOasis Cool Mist Humidifier. Dry air can leave your skin and throat feeling like sandpaper. Instead, wake up feeling refreshed. When you need dry air relief, this quality ultrasonic humidifier is the one you're looking for. It's so good for everyday life. You can enjoy its benefits at home. Your plants can enjoy it, and you can even enjoy while you work. Breathe better, sleep better, live better with the soothing cool mist from AquaOasis. Now available on Amazon. AquaOasis.
Keep the air in your home moisturized all day with the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier XL from Pure Enrichment. This powerful and aesthetically pleasing humidifier is packed with smart features that make it the perfect solution for improving the air quality in the dry areas of your home or office. Featuring a large 1-gallon water tank and adjustable steam knob, this humidifier is perfect for large areas such as workspaces, bedrooms, and other rooms up to 500 square feet. The ultrasonic cool mist technology safely moisturizes the air for up to 24 hours, allowing for more comfortable work areas and a perfect night's rest. Enjoy a comfortable environment with the included single and dual mist nozzles that dispense the exact amount of desired moisture and can be rotated 360 degrees. The automatic shutoff feature means you will never have to worry about low water levels again. Set the perfect mood and maximize your relaxation with an optional night light in blue, green, or red. This premium humidifier is backed by Pure Enrichment's extended 5-year warranty, so your satisfaction is guaranteed. The Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier XL from Pure Enrichment. Order yours today and experience a dramatic improvement in the air quality of your home or office.
Get the best sleep of your life while treating your skin and maintaining a healthy home with the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Everlasting Comfort. Effortlessly increase humidity in any room with the humidifier's ultrasonic cool mist, proven to improve sleep, allergies, and skin health by reducing airborne viruses and bacteria. The humidifier features a 6-liter, 1.6-gallon large capacity water tank. Relax and refresh with the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Everlasting Comfort.
When it gets chilly outside, and congestion and allergies act up, dry air can make matters worse. Levoit's new Classic 200 humidifier has state-of-the-art technology to ensure you get the moisture in the air that you need. Enjoy up to 40 hours of humidity and choose between 3 mist levels. Use the 360-degree mist nozzles to direct the mist for maximum comfort. You can even use your humidifier to fill the room with relaxing aromas from essential oils. And when it's time for bed, the Classic 200 can run without light and operate quieter than a library. When the humidifier runs out of water, it automatically turns off. Easily clean your humidifier using vinegar, and get an even deeper clean with the included cleaning brush. With a wide opening and a handle on the water tank, it is easy to refill and carry, no matter how dry it gets in your home this winter. Put some moisture back in the air with Levoit's Classic 200 Humidifier.